Hot day across the valley. Just missed a record again in McAllen by 1 degree. So one day will cool below these near record highs, but it won't be any of the next 5 days. 94 right now in McAllen, 98 in Rio Grande City. Temperatures in the 80s near the coast, but it was above 90 most everywhere except for at the island this afternoon. Dew points kind of fluctuating a little bit, but kind of hanging roughly close to that 70-degree mark, getting back toward that very humid category, and expect that to continue this weekend. Not getting a lot of cooling from the breeze either. About 10 to 15 miles per hour. The winds coming in from the east and southeast, but at least if you're out this evening, wind speed still lightly blowing, maybe 10 miles per hour or so for any evening plans, including football games. So Friday night football, if you're headed out, dry weather, no threat for rain during the game. Temperatures kind of slowly falling through the 80s as we get just after sunset and through the game time, with clear to partly cloudy skies around, maybe a few puffy clouds fading away as the day goes on, the evening goes on. But overall, it's a warm day out there and a warm evening. Day planner tomorrow, and this is almost what it looks like on Sunday. 70s in the morning, near 90 by midday in most areas, and by afternoon, mostly in the 90s, except, of course, near the island, a little bit cooler. But sunshine around tomorrow, maybe a few puffy clouds now and then, but it does look like we should stay rain-free. Average high as we start tomorrow, right around 87 across the valley, but we'll be above that, near 95 on average across the area, about 97 on Sunday and Monday, and that for Weslaco would be tying some records. So each day, though, these high temperatures range from about the upper 80s at the coast to upper 90s and near 100 in Starr County. Future track doesn't show much going on tonight, maybe a few clouds here and there, but mostly clear skies much of the time. Tomorrow, sunshine comes back, and like today, clouds may get a little bit puffy in some areas, but I think we'll stay dry with just mostly sunny skies around and hot temperatures. And then tomorrow night looks dry and mostly clear, and then Sunday, mostly sunny skies return again after maybe a few patches of clouds in the morning, and temperatures again hot, maybe even slightly hotter than Saturday in some areas, and expect that trend to continue into Monday as well. So hot weather around at least through about Wednesday or Thursday. I think Thursday is the day when things at some point will start to change. Tropics, just want to show you it's still hurricane season, but nothing brewing in the Gulf of Mexico. It's pretty much clear there. Models have been showing a couple days ago, trying to say that maybe next week some moisture will build in the Caribbean, but still nothing really stirring out there yet. Out in the Atlantic, Hurricane Nicole not looking as strong, but it still is a hurricane speeding off toward the northeast away from Bermuda, which is that little dot right there that took the direct hit back on Thursday morning from the storm. So things looking improving there at least. Now temperatures tonight falling through the 80s down to about 72 late tonight. Mostly clear skies, maybe some clouds here and there late at night, and then tomorrow back up to about 95 with sunshine around. And like today, just hot, hot, hot. And then Sunday and Monday in your first 1570 forecast, maybe a degree or two hotter on average across the area. And same thing for Tuesday with sunshine. Virtually no change in the weather between now and about Tuesday. We may see 1 or 2 showers late Wednesday, depending on the speed of the cold front. But Thursday, a cold front comes through. It gets breezy, a little cooler and less humid. We could spend the afternoon in the 80s. Thursday and Friday, finally some changes. You have to wait, though. We'll track it ahead in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at 5.